Greetings friends, today I, Srijan Sharma of grade 10A would like to explain you all about acids. Well friends, what is an acid? Well, an acid is a substance which when dissolved in water produces hydrogen ions. Now taking example from our body only, in our body HCl is present, that is hydrochloric acid, which helps in digestion. So this is what is acid. Well friends, now acids can be differentiated into two categories. As we can see that acids are differentiated into two categories, that is the mineral acids and the organic acids. Well, the mineral acids are generally the strong acids, whereas the organic acids are the weak acids. For example, if we talk about the mineral acids, we have HCl, H2SO4, and for organic acid, we have all the weak acids such as methanoic acid, formic acid, and etc. Now, what do we understand from the term strong and from the term weak? Well, the strong acid, this term means that in this type of acid, the rate of production of hydrogen ions is more, whereas in weak acids, the rate of production of hydrogen ions is less. This is what is the basic differentiation between the strong acids and the weak acids. Well friends, talking about the properties of acids, the main properties of acids are, firstly, the acid tastes sour. And this we can experiment in our daily life, that when we take lemon juice, we find it little bit sour. This is due to the presence of citric acid in it. Hence, the first property of acid is proved. Secondly, acids turn blue litmus red. Well, this can be a criteria to test a solution, that whether it is acidic or basic. Thirdly, acids are highly corrosive in nature, but please don't test it, because it may cause skin burning and various kind of dermatological diseases. Now talking about the reaction of acids with various kinds of substances chemically, the first property can be that when metal carbonate reacts with an acid, then salt, carbon dioxide and water is formed. The same is formed when metal hydrogen carbonate reacts with acid, then the same products is found, that is these salt, then carbon dioxide, and lastly water. Then the most important reaction comes into the play. That important reaction is the neutralization reaction. Well, when an acid reacts with a base, then salt and water is formed. This is in both the conditions, and this is a very necessary reaction, and it takes place in our body too. When we experience a bee sting, then we try to rub that bee sting with any substance which contains iron, so that it can neutralize the effect. Well, the last main property of the acid can be that when metal oxide reacts with the acid, then also salt and water is formed. Well, just as every coin has two tails, so acids are not only harmful, but they are beneficial to our industry also. Now let's see how they are beneficial. Well, mineral acids are mostly useful to us. Like, if we talk about sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, well, H2SO4 is used in the manufacturing process of paints, dye, chemicals, and more uses you can just see right to me. Then if we talk about hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, then HCl is used to remove the oxide film from steel objects. It is also used in leather and dye industries. Well, this was what about that we talked about in acids. These were the main subtopics of acids that we have covered.